Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Zakira binti Zulkifli and I would like to talk about the introduction for library management application. It's an application that allows to find, borrow and handle books while at the same time assisting librarians with organizing and efficient. For the problem statement, these are the various challenges that librarians face, such as untracking of book in decentralized system which lengthens process and make it lose a lot of resource. Users get frustrated on trying to look for book and staff members also have to go through a routine of a lot of work with stock control and its record. There are 6 main objectives of the software system. The first one is efficient book management. Store book information such as title, author, genre, and the availability in a database. Second one is search and discover. Allow user to quickly find books by title, author, genre, or ISBN. The third one is account management. Provide the user with an interface to handle their user account, borrowed books, and the due date for the borrowed books. The fourth one is integrated system. Add the record of the book, the user checkout, and all the books check-in back-in. Overdue notification. Send reminder for overdue book and fines to ensure timely return. Report and analytics. Assist the staff of the library in understanding how many books of the same title are available and how many are in use.
For functional requirements, this app will allow users to search for books by title, author, genre, or international standard book number, and apply filters such as availability or publication date. The application should allow users to register, log in, and manage roles. Access to certain features must be role-based. The application must send notifications to users about due dates, overdue books, or availability of reserved books. For non-functional requirements, the application should have an intuitive and user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate for all users of all ages. This application must be compatible with multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, and web browsers. The application should have 100% of uptime, ensuring continuous availability for users.
SDLC techniques divided to 6 phases, and the first phase is planning. The primary goal of this project is to develop a library management application that streamlines book borrowing, returns, and inventory management for libraries. This system is important because it saves time for librarians, reduces manual errors, and provides a better experience for users by enabling efficient book management and user tracking. Phase 2, requirement analysis. User needs, librarians needs tools to manage inventory, track borrowed return books, and generate reports. Users need an interface to search for available books, view borrowing history, and make book reservation. System expectation, user-friendly interface for both librarians and users, secure login for different user roles, such as for librarian and user, a database to store book, user, and transaction records, and lastly, a real-time updates for book availability. Phase 3, design, user interface for librarians, dashboard with book inventory, user activity logs, and report generation features. For users, search bar for books, borrowing or returning status, and reservation functionality. Processing module handles book borrowing and returning process, late fee calculation, and book availability updates. And lastly, database store details about books, title, order, ISBN, and the availability of the books, users' name, contact, and their borrowing history. And lastly, there's transaction, which is the borrowed date, due date, and the return status. Phase 4, development. Implementation use a programming language like Python or Java for the back-end development. Design the front end using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or use a framework. Employ a relational database for data storage, and integrate a secure authentication for user roles. Phase 5, testing. There are 3 types of tests. Login functionality tests, which ensure only authorized user can log in with correct permission for each role. The second is data accuracy tests. Verify that book availability updates correctly after borrow or return actions. And lastly is the search test. Ensure search results are accurate and fast for different queries. Phase 6 deployment and maintenance. Deployment hosts the application on a cloud platform or local servers. Provide training for librarians on using the application. While the maintenance, which is need to regularly update the system with new features based on the user feedback, monitor for bugs, and provide quick fix. Ensure data backups to prevent loss during crashes.
System overview. Our system is designed to optimize and arrange a library's everyday operation. It facilitates effective management of library resources, users, and services. In addition to making it simple for users to find, borrow, and return books, it adds in the management and maintenance of a wide range of books, journals, digital resources, and other materials. In order to save time and minimize error, the system automates repetitive operations, including sending reminders, computing fines, and issuing and returning books. In addition, it stores user accounts and borrowing histories, manage inventory, and keep updated on resource availability. To help the staff, it also produces statistics and insight on resource utilization. The technology ensures smooth and efficient library operation by increasing productivity and enhancing user satisfaction. There are few key components in our system. First is user management. Effective management of privileged borrowing histories and member accounts. Catalog management. Integrated organization and availability of all library resources, including digital content, books, and journals. Lending and return system. Automating the borrowing, returning, and fine calculation to ensure smooth operation. Next is search functionality. A search tool that allows users to search for resources by author, title, or keywords in a flash. Lastly is inventory management, tracking the availability of resources in real time to keep correct stock records.
Hi, my name is Adam Zikri. Last but not least, the conclusion. The library management application successfully meets the project objectives by providing a user-friendly and efficient platform for library operation. It includes key features like user account management, secure data storage, and quick information retrieval, while ensuring system reliability and security. By following the SDLC approach, which is agile method, the application is designed to meet the needs of both librarians and users, ensuring smooth and intuitive interactions. Testing confirmed the system performed as expected, meeting high quality standards. In summary, the application streamlines library operation, improves user satisfaction, and is adaptable for future needs, making it a valuable tool for libraries.